Hey everyone, I'm Allison and you're watching Long Island Thrifter, a channel for anyone interested in finding bargains for as little as $1 and flipping them for profit. Today, I'm at the Junior League of Long Island thrift shop in Roslyn, New York. Let's go thrifting. The Junior League of Long Island is an organization of women committed to promoting volunteerism, developing the potential of women, and to improving the community through the effective action and leadership of trained volunteers. Its purpose is exclusively educational and charitable. Their main and largest fundraiser is the thrift shop. And as soon as you walk in the door, you realize immediately this is not an ordinary thrift shop. This looks and feels more like a boutique. I can only describe this thrift shop as a feast for the senses. It's beautiful. Everywhere I looked, I saw such care put into the displays and how items were placed. It also didn't smell like an ordinary thrift shop. You know what I'm talking about, everybody. Also, the pricing was very reasonable. These scarves were pretty much around the $4 mark, not expensive at all, and priced to sell. I spy a fabulous leopard bucket bag. Oh, did I want that? But I definitely didn't need it, so I left it behind. I loved all these little signs around the store. Very sweet. I love this jewelry case, and they had some cute pieces here, especially this gorgeous, what I think is jade. I'm not sure if it is, but the choker fit me perfectly, and it was $25, which I know is a lot higher than I would usually pay, but the clasp was stamped 925, so it is a sterling clasp. And I will get this checked out at a jewelry store to double check on what the beads are. There was lots of dishware and lots of crystal. Really beautiful pieces, and again, the displays were stunning. This cute little nook in the corner of the store had a big surprise above. The thrift shop is very large, so I checked out the lower level and all of their goodies downstairs. This is a great deal for t-shirts, long sleeve and short sleeve ones, and I just thought this was hilarious. Class of 2020, when shit got real. Isn't that the truth? For $3, I thought this was a great deal for this dragonfly keychain holder. Most of the linens ran around the $10 mark. I wasn't sure if this piece was actual vintage or if it was made to look vintage, but I did love the colors, the green and yellow. I really liked this vintage early 1980s cruise ship poster, but when I picked it up it was mounted on wood, so it was pretty heavy. And then I looked it up and I found there's one for sale for $130, but I couldn't find any sold comps for it. If I had the space, I would have picked up these two chairs. They were so pretty. It was at the very end of my expedition where I spied these two really beautiful pieces of pottery. They're actually signed by Ken Edwards, Palomar, Mexico. Love them. loved these women's Salomon sneakers. They're in great condition. The tread is fantastic, and they were on sale for $15. I think I could probably sell them based on comps for somewhere between $50 and $60. So these were a good buy. I fell in love with this beautiful, what I believe is a jade necklace. I could be wrong, it might be jadeite, it may be something else completely. However, there's a little stamp on the clasp, which is 925, meaning it's sterling silver clasp. So I tend to think it has to be something, isn't that pretty? Oh, that's the only problem too. That's it. The clasp only goes like that, which is a little bit like, feels like it would fall off. I'm gonna bring this to a jewelry shop and see if they can fix it. But I love this necklace and I'm keeping it. I thought these two plates that were made by Ken Edwards, who's an American artist that is based in Mexico. His stuff sells like every day. It's amazing. When you look on eBay, I was like, I had no idea. I'd never heard of this guy. But when I looked him up, I was very excited. The plates were $10 each. I think these will sell. I'm gonna probably sell them as a pair, and hopefully I can make some profit off of them. We'll see. Thanks for watching, Long Island Thrifter. If you enjoyed this episode, please tap the like button, and if so inclined, please subscribe. Until next time, keep on thrifting.